Good morning class 3. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 7, that is our country India. In this video we will know about the India, which is our country. Let's start the chapter. India is a big country. It is the 7th largest country in the world. It is also the second most populous country in the world after China. Means China is the most populated country where the most people of the world live, and on the second number is our country, that is India, and according to area wise the number of India is the 7th. More than 120 crore people live in India. The capital of India is New Delhi. Our country has two types of the government, the central government and the state government. Both work jointly to ensure the welfare of the people of the country. Let's know about the central government. On 15 August 1947, we got freedom after independence. We got the right to choose our government. The government look after the needs, welfare and safety of the country and of its people. We elect people to make the central government. The office of the central government are in New Delhi, the capital of India. The president, the vice president and the prime minister have their offices in the capital city. It is difficult for the central government to solve all the problems such as a big country. Therefore, the country is divided into small parts or states. Every state has its own government known as the state government, which looks after the welfare of the people of the state. Dear student, as we cannot manage so many things together, so we divide it into the parts. Just like that, the central government cannot manage whole country at once. So they divide the country into the states and make their own government of the state, that is called the state government. So let's know about the state government. There are 28 states in India. Every state has its own capital where its governor, chief ministers, other state ministers and the senior officers have their offices. The central government helps the state government when it is required. The states are further divided into districts. The district magistrate looks after the needs and solves the problems of the district. Here you can see the picture of Parliament House, which is situated in New Delhi, and here is the picture of Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now let's read about the Union Territories. What are the Union Territories? Those states which are directly under the control of the government. Those states which don't have any state government, they are called the Union Territories. There are 9 smaller parts directly controlled by the central government. They are known as the Union Territories. There are 9 Union Territories in our country, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Here are some national symbols. What are the national symbols? Those symbols we represent our culture, our country. So our national animal is tiger, our national emblem, and our national bird is peacock. Here are the name of 28 states and their capital, which you have to learn. Read and learn. Learn the name of Union Territories and their capital also. Children, read this chapter and find more national symbols of your country. Thank you. Have a nice day.